doing back there? We're at the GoPro Mountain Games. We're just checking everything out, walking in. Pretty excited, right?
Yes! We did 10,700 steps yesterday, and that was just 1 o'clock to 8 o'clock?
Yeah.
7:30?
Sure. Watch the puppy. Yeah! Good job, pup.
Like to walk up and down the streets and get as many free samples as we can get. We stock up. LaCroix. Amazing grass. What's in it? Who knows?
Grass.
Good stuff. There's the GoPro, obviously, giveaway every single day. You have to be present for it at 4 o'clock when they do the drawing. And we've not won yet, but we're going to keep trying until we do. Ruben has been such a champ. He fell in the creek, so his pants are drying here. So he is just in his diaper, showing off his cute little thighs. Dream come true. Are you pretty happy about riding the bus? Yeah. Buses are your favorite.
What do you think, buddy? We're camping in the parking lot.
You having fun?
Cheers.
Now you gotta do it with your cup.
Where's your cup? Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Yeah.
And yeah, Isaac's about to compete in the Pepe Hill Climb here in about 45 minutes. So that'll be his second time competing, and he's gonna bring home the gold.
On your left, ladies. Thank you.
This is a beast from head to toe. Not a champion. I guess that word is misleading. But what an animal. 5 laps. 5 times up, 5 times down. Number 2 fan right here. Stayed awake from his nap to support Dada. Oh, you're giving him your pacifier. That's sweet. You keep that, Ruben. He doesn't need it. He needs water. Oh, giving him your blanket.
Oh, thanks, buddy.
He looks cold.
We'll see.
Over and out. Oh, and I'm 36 weeks pregnant, so kind of rolling the dice, hoping I don't go into labor.